When you think of devices that emit EMF, you probably think of things such as your microwave or cell phone. Light bulbs may not be the first thing that comes to mind, but this common household item actually produces a great deal of EMF radiation. If you're trying to reduce EMF levels in your home, you will need to consider what bulbs you use. EMF and light bulbs. Light bulbs produce EMF in a number of ways. Some new smart bulbs have Wi-Fi capability, and the more Wi-Fi-enabled devices in your home, the higher the EMF levels. Other smart bulbs use Bluetooth, which is equally dangerous in terms of radiation emissions. Another way that light bulbs lead to increased EMF levels is by the production of dirty electricity. Newer bulbs use less electricity than the standard home is wired for. This leads to an increase in energy efficiency, which is why these bulbs are so popular. However, while the bulb uses less electricity, the same amount of electricity is pulsing through the wires of your home. Some of this unused electricity is then sent back into your home's wiring, creating what is called dirty electricity. Dirty electricity is dangerous because it emits a high level of EMF radiation. One way to measure dirty electricity is to purchase an EMF meter. To see if you have an abundance of dirty electricity, take a reading with all the lights on and then again with all the lights off. If the results are higher with the lights on, you've got dirty electricity in your home. Safer light bulbs. The safest light bulbs to use from an EMF standpoint are incandescent light bulbs. These bulbs were designed to work with the wiring in most homes, meaning they produce little to no dirty electricity. And since they have no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capability, you're looking at little to no EMF production. While they may not be as energy efficient or long-lasting as other bulbs, incandescent bulbs do tend to be cheaper. One great option is Buy Sunlight, which sells a 40-pack of incandescent bulbs for just over $60, although the actual price varies by wattage. One pack of those and you'll be set for quite a while. Light bulbs to avoid. If possible, avoid smart bulbs that use Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Not only are these bulbs usually LED-based, leading to dirty electricity, but the wireless signal produces its own EMF. If you are trying to reduce your overall exposure, these are definitely bulbs to avoid. Likewise, you'll want to steer clear of any bulb that produces dirty electricity. Both LED and CFL bulbs are known to do this, they simply weren't designed for the way houses are wired today. Another type of bulb to avoid is the remote-controlled type. Sometimes sold as light strips, or just a single bulb, these bulbs often produce dirty electricity as well as EMF radiation from the remote control. Minimizing exposure. Minimizing your exposure is key to avoiding the health problems associated with EMF radiation. Your best bet is to use incandescent bulbs. They are less energy efficient, but simply turning lights off when not in use can go a long way towards lowering your energy bill. If you must use LED bulbs, smart bulbs, or CFLs, use them as sparingly as possible. Try and place those lights away from nightstands, chairs, and other places where they might come into close contact with people. Lowering your home's overall EMF level can be difficult. Switching to incandescent bulbs is one way to dramatically lower your home's level.